all the kids, including my teacher that goes to the building, are literally totally on Zoom. Even my teacher's at home on Zoom. There's a new schedule. So comment below if you have a new schedule on for classes that you go to.
Yes. Comment down. Alright. Anyways, what I wanted to show you was this.
A snowstorm since 4 years.
I'm not sure if you can kind of see, but hang on, let me zoom in.
And it's been our first snowstorm since 4 years. For when I was 2 and now it's 4.
Yeah, it's gonna be huge. Right. Hang on. Let me show you through the window. Maybe you can see better now.
You can see better.
Hang on. Because, oh, now you can see how I record. But that's not what we wanted to show you. Oops.
We don't want to show us recording each other. Okay.
Can we hold the iPad quickly?
You guys?
Alright. What I wanted to show you was this. Can you see that out there? Snow. Snow everywhere.
Like Lily, you're gonna want to, guys, comment below if this looks fine. Good. We have a chance. Let's go out.
I know. Alright. So it is snowing like crazy outside. It is snowing like crazy outside.
You need to see
You can't step on this. You have to have some kind of slippers on. Because this can hurt your feet.
But guys, let me show you this. Quick, look at this.
You're gonna love this, guys.
Look at this, guys. Oh
Ha
my
ha.
God. Look at this. I'm freezing. Alright, okay, you can shut the door now. You can shut the door now. Oh, you can shut
That's
the
how
door.
much snow we have.
Oh my God. I mean, did you see that? Terrible video viewers. I mean, literally.
And we have good news, towers on the family. We don't have school tomorrow, so we can play in the snow whole day we want.
Ooh, you are so lucky. Mom, you are so lucky I did not get you a matching. Yes, and tomorrow we're going to be making a brand new video on how to play a snowball fight and make a snow angel part 2. Because remember like 11 months ago, I made how to play a snowball fight and how to make a snow angel.
Comment below if you remember seeing it, and we would like to share comments with you about this storm that we're going to have